guys, so I had this great idea to dye my hair. This is the brown black number 20 from Revlon. I haven't done a box dye in forever, but yeah. Huh?
You put their clothes out and where they at?
On the couch. They must be under those blankets then. So this color, I haven't actually had like this color in a minute, but yeah. So this is the Revlon Color Silk stuff. So this is number 3 and this is number 2. So do I need, like, I put it all in here? There's something in here. Yeah, I don't know, I haven't done this in quite some time.
Now I am combing out my hair so that I can get ready to apply the color. And as you guys can see, well, I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair is a light, like a medium brown. You can see the lighter brown in my hair. I know some people might think it just looks dark, and it's really not. And in the light, it's like a really light brown. So yeah, I haven't done a box dye in years, so I'm just reading the instructions and putting on my gloves. And honestly, I didn't even think about the fact that my t-shirt was gonna get ruined, but yeah, so I had to end up throwing that away. Anyway, so I'm just mixing the dye and the, you guys know, I don't really know what the technical terms are, but I'm just pouring the dye in the bottle and shaking it up so that it can be activated. And this whole process took about 40 minutes, I think, to prep and, you know, get everything done. So yeah, once my hair was all combed out, I kind of just parted it into sections so that it was easier for me to apply the hair dye. And so you can see here how much lighter my hair was before, and I just really was sick of it and I wanted something darker, something that looked healthier. So I don't really have a special technique on how I apply this product. I just basically wanted to make sure I coated it in my entire hair. So yeah, I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or right, but this is what worked for me. So I'm just putting the product all in my hair, and I did spill some of it like on my white cabinets, so that was a fail. So yeah, I'm just putting it in my hair. As you guys can see, just make sure it says don't put it on your roots, and I was trying not to really put it up there in my roots, because I noticed, like, even a few days later, I was like scratching my scalp and it was like hair dye still on my hair, but I've washed my hair and everything. So yeah, now that I have this all throughout my hair, I'm gonna let it sit and we're gonna see how it comes out.
Okay, you guys, so while this is sitting on my hair for, it says 25 minutes, I'm about to go and wash my daughter's hair. But I wanted to show you guys these gummies really quickly. So these are the Heartbreaker gummies. It says, make them boys cry. They're hair, skin, and nail vitamin complex. It has biotin, folic acid, vitamin A, and they're soy-free, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. So the company, which is Duval USA, they sent me these gummies to try. And this is supposed to be a month supply of gummies, but because you're supposed to take 2 a day, but because I'm not sure how I'm going to react to them, I've only been taking 1 a day, so this will probably be 2 months for me, just until I see how they really are working for me. So I've been taking them for a couple weeks now, and one thing that I can say is that they really taste good. They don't have like a nasty diety or like medicine aftertaste or powder aftertaste. They smell really good. They taste like an organic gummy. And let me show you what they look like. So on the back it says Heartbreaker gummies, collecting boys' tears from around the world, calling all boss babes of the world. Our Heartbreaker gummies were specifically created for girls who like to be both healthy and beautiful inside and out. So like I said, it has vitamin C, biotin, and folic acid, helps your nails grow and skin glow. So this is what they look like. They're little heart gummies, and they smell really good. They smell like Scooby Snacks, honestly. And I've only been taking them for a short while. They probably got here, I don't know, maybe a few weeks ago. And I do notice that my nails are growing even with me only taking 1 a day. I'm not sure about my hair. My hair is growing as well, but it's kind of been growing, so I don't really know. But yeah, I wanted to mention these to you guys. If you guys are interested in trying them, I'll have the link down below, and you can get 20% off your purchase by using my code, which will be on the screen and down in the description box. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit on my hair, and I'm going to go wash baby girl's hair because, as you guys can see, and I'm cleaning the shower. But her hair, I just took her braids out, which is exhausting. So I'm gonna go wash her hair, let this sit, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so it's a few days later, and I have completely straightened my hair. So I'm trying to get a good light. So this is the color that it ended up coming out, which is like a brown black, which is what I was wanting. So yeah, my hair has grown super long. It's like midway, it's past my boob or whatever. So it's growing. My nails are growing, you guys. They're growing, growing, growing. And I do honestly think it has to do with taking those vitamins. So yeah, I'll have the link in the description box if you guys want to purchase. The only thing I can say about the vitamins that I don't really like is I think it was making me break out. Well, the biotin in there, because I have heard of that happening. So like around my mouth, I was breaking out for some reason. So that's the only thing, but I think that's with any type of hair vitamin that can happen. You probably just need to drink a lot of water, and I have not been drinking like as much water as I should. So yeah, this is the finished hair, and I love it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.